Acts chapter 3 verse 2 tells of a man lame from birth, carried daily to the temple gate called Beautiful. There he sat, begging from worshippers entering to meet God. Think about his tragedy, so close to blessings, yet unable to possess them. Near the temple, but couldn't enter. Surrounded by worshippers, yet remained outside as a beggar. His story reminds us, being near a blessing is not the same as experiencing it. Proximity is not possession. At the 9th hour of prayer, Peter and John went to the temple. At the Beautiful gate, they met this man who had sat there for years. He asked for money, but Peter declared something greater. "Silver and gold have I none, but such as I have give I thee. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, rise up and walk." Instantly his feet and ankles received strength. He leaped up, walked, and entered the temple praising God. One divine encounter changed 40 years of waiting. The Beautiful Gate, also known as the Nicanor Gate, was the eastern entrance to Herod's temple. The historian Josephus described this magnificent gate, made of Corinthian bronze that shone like gold. It was so massive that 20 men were needed to open it each day. This gate echoed Solomon's temple pillars, Jachin and Boaz, representing God's establishment and strength. It was truly a masterpiece of ancient craftsmanship and devotion. This miracle reveals profound spiritual truths. The lame man represents humanity crippled by sin, unable to approach God. The gate symbolizes religion and ritual, beautiful but powerless to heal. Peter and John carried the power of the new covenant. The healing represents restoration of spiritual access to God. Before, the man sat outside, begging. After experiencing Jesus' power, he entered walking, leaping, and praising God. Grace met humanity at the threshold of religion. This story invites us to consider two kinds of beauty. Worldly beauty is physical, external, and fades with time. Biblical beauty is spiritual, rooted in holiness, and endures forever. Psalm 96 says, "Worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness." While Lucifer's pride in beauty led to his downfall, true beauty is found in the hidden person of the heart. The imperishable beauty of a gentle spirit is precious in God's sight. This is beauty that truly matters.